Has your Infinix Hot 50i turned into a turtle? Does even the keyboard freeze, and does PUBG become a slideshow? Don't rush to take it to a repair shop. I have 5 proven tips that can actually reduce lag and make your phone run faster. Let's go! First tip. It's simple, but it works. Just restart your phone. Yes, really. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. This clears the RAM and shuts down background processes. It's free, quick, and effective. Second tip. Clean out the junk. Your Infinix comes with a built-in app called Phone Master. Open it, tap Clean Up, and clear the cache without hesitation. Just look at how many gigabytes of junk have piled up over time. Third tip, get rid of battery-draining apps. Go to Settings, then Battery, then Auto Start Management. Turn off Auto Start for anything you don't use every hour. Games, shopping apps, delivery services. Let them sleep until you need them. Your battery will last longer, and your phone will lag less. Fourth tip, the ultimate lag killer for gaming. Open Settings and scroll down to Special Features, then Game Mode. Turn it on. This mode blocks notifications and gives more system resources to your game. And inside the game itself, set graphics to low and frame rate to medium. Sure, the visuals won't be as fancy, but your gameplay will feel much smoother. And tip number 5 for the most desperate cases. If your phone is still slow after all of this, go to Settings and then Storage. You should always keep at least 20% of your storage free. Otherwise, your phone simply runs out of room to work properly. Delete old videos, move photos to a memory card or Google Photos, and free up some space. Still not fixed? Then your last options are a factory reset or a visit to a car care service center. But in 90% of cases, these tips are enough to bring an Infinix Hot 50i back to life. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so your phone and your experience stay smooth in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.